guys, welcome back to my special place where my heart melts, where my heart sings, where my heart dances, where my heartbeat goes up, and it's just because of you all guys. So yes, today we are really going to have a discussion on a very important topic, that is believe in yourself. And let me clear you out that why I'm making a long video. I used to make shorts of 3 minutes, but I thought that maybe I must try one time making a video long. So yes, I tried, and let's see how much love you all guys give. And if you can hear the background noise, please avoid, because I really don't know editing and I don't know how to edit any video. I'm just putting it raw on YouTube. So yes, let's start our discussion. So if I ask you, believing in yourself, and here the question arises, how much do you believe in your own self? Do you believe to yourself at the point where no one believes? Do you believe in your own self at that point where everyone will leave you? Do you believe to your own self where everyone is doubting you? These are the three questions. Can you answer that? And if your answer is coming towards yes, that you are really a true believer of your own self, you are really a self obsessed person, I can say, a self loving person, you are on the path of your self love, where at the end no one will stand with you, you will stand with your own self, where at the end people will doubt you, you are the only one who help your own self. And believing in your own self is, I think, you have got the brahmastra in your own life, because there are many stages in life where you feel like leaving everything, but you have to believe in your own self. When the society is doubting you, when your friends family is doubting you, you have to keep on making yourself understand that no, you know those things will give you out an excellent result. This is the only way through which you can help your own self. If you want to believe in yourself without doubting, I think I have the three ways to give you. First, manifest a lot. uh, Try to make vision board for your own self. Now 2026 is coming, not much more days are left for that. You can make your own vision board, you can do journaling, things which I feel personally can be very good for your own. Is first, get up at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, whatever time you like. Get up at that time, drink at least half liter or 1 liter of water by sitting in the position Vajrasan. Have that water, do your chantings if you do, listen to the bhajans if you like in the morning. Write journaling, do journaling. If you feel you want to write something, do that. If you want to walk at least 100, 200, 300 steps. After that, get freshen up, make yourself feel comfortable, do your skincare. Please pamper your own self a lot, because when you feel that you are on a path of spirituality, you are on a path of manifesting, you feel that you should do good with every person, but you forget that improvement in the society comes when the improvement starts with you. You have to take care first of your own self, you have to pamper yourself, you have to listen to your needs, you don't have to doubt yourself daily, you have to understand yourself, you have to give time to your own self, you have to sit with yourself, you have to go on a coffee date with yourself. And there are many more ways to love your own self, and I really feel that you should try these things out, because I personally do, and I really a true believer in my own self. When you feel that you have done something wrong, go and sit in front of the mirror, talk to yourself, cry in front of your own self, tell yourself no, that these things are not going on right. Make yourself at a place where you know, make your daily mind visualize your future self, because today what the life you are living. Maybe you have visualized this life in your past and you are living it now, but today you have to visualize something big and something really extraordinary which you have to do. Maybe it's hard, maybe it's easy, whatever the ways you have to go through there, but you have to go, not because just for your own self but also for your parents, for also for them, to give them a luxurious life that you want. And seriously, this can happen just by hard work and nothing more than that. So yes, we were on the things. First, wake up fast, drink at least 1 liter of water, do your chantings, take 100 to 200 steps, do journaling, listen to bhajans if you do, then freshen up, then go for your work if you are working somewhere, or if do whatever you like. Means if you're a student, study. If you work in an office or somewhere, you go there. After coming, track your things, how much you have work done, how much you have helped others, have you hurt someone. Just track your daily life. And I really want you to all to do Naam Jap. And I personally do Naam Jap. I want you all to do that and start with the name whatever you want. But I want you all to go in front of Shivji and have really a blessings with him, because without his blessings I don't feel any person can just take name of any of the god. He should be blessed on you. So just go sit with him, talk to him. If you love talking to God, if you love talking to your own self, you can talk to God, you can hug them, you can cry in front of them, you can ask them for whatever you want. See, this world is not going to give you anything. The God is the only source, the God is the only, I can say, the supreme power to whom you can ask anything. He will not even judge you and he will give whatever you want. Just your intention should be pure, nothing more than that. And start doing Naam Jap with his blessings. Maybe Shiv Shiv, maybe Om Namah Shivaya, maybe Radha Radha, maybe Ram Ram, whatever you want. I don't say that do this or do that. And make your mind relax. Do journaling, write daily. If you feel something good, write it down. If you feel something that these things have not worked for me. Last but not the least, love yourself at the highest point. See, God is the only source you can go to, but going to God, it's not that He's going to give you everything. See, means if there are two person, you and another person who don't believe in God, and he do all his work, his studies and all of those things, but it does not matter.